Yeah, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to look at the Cartesian plane, so the coordinates. In our previous lesson, I explained the Cartesian plane and the coordinates. So today we are going to take examples on it. So we look at the first example. This example 1 says plot point A. Let's take solution. I plot point A is what? 1, 5. B minus 3 and 1. C is what? 3 and minus 2. If you look at this, these are an example of the coordinates. Where I told you that coordinate has to do with we have the x and the y coordinates. And I said that the x coordinate is always your first number. The y coordinate is your second number. So if you look at this now, our x coordinate is the first number here, which is 1. Our y coordinate is what? 5. Our x coordinate is minus 3. Our y coordinate is 1. Our x coordinate is 3. And our y coordinate is minus 2. So that is why you have to know the meaning of, you have to know the difference between x and y coordinates, so that you know the value for your x-axis and the value for your y-axis. So now we are asked now to plot these points and join them. So what we are going to do, I'm going to draw my graph, draw my line, which is also known as the Cartesian plane. Remember I told you about the Cartesian plane, which has to do with the horizontal and vertical number line, which was introduced by a French mathematician known as René Descartes in the year 1637. So this is an example of the Cartesian plane. So now we want to put these values, now these numbers, into this Cartesian plane. So here we present our x-axis. This represents our y-axis. So now this is our 0 margin. So now we have what? 3, 1, and this one. I'm going to put 1. My highest number here among here is what? 5. So for x, our highest number here for x is 3. Our highest number here for y is 5. So that will determine what you are going to, the number you are going to write up to in your x-axis. So I'm going to write here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here I'm going to put here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Then I go to the y-axis. The upside is our positive numbers. So I'm going to have highest number for y here is 5. So I'm going to write up to 6 or so. So I'm going to put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then here minus 1, minus 2. Then you go to your question now. You say x is what? 1. Remember I told you that x-axis or x coordinate is the first number here. So when x is 1, y is what? 5. So my